Welcome to the Explainer. Today we're looking at a new method for smart vehicle communication.
Picture this, cars that talk to each other and the road, preventing accidents and traffic jams.
Well, that's the promise of a technology called V2X. It's the key to smarter, safer roads.
But with so many devices communicating, you get a massive wireless traffic jam. The network gets clogged.
Think about it. High speeds, changing networks, signal interference, and privacy concerns. These are huge challenges.
So, the real problem is resource allocation. Basically, who gets to talk on the network and when.
And our old methods? They're just way too slow and complicated for cars zipping around in real time.
So, the big question is, how can we train this network to be fast without sharing private data?
And the answer? It's a breakthrough technique called federated learning, or just FL for short.
It's like sharing recipe tips without giving away your secret ingredient. The actual data never leaves the car.
The benefits? Well, your privacy is protected, training is faster, and all the vehicles can collaborate securely. And that brings us to FL-V2X. It applies this exact technique to that V2X resource problem.
So what's it trying to do? Maximize data speed and make sure access is fair for everybody.
Okay, so let's put it to the test and see how it stacks up against the older methods.
First, reliability. You can see it has a much lower outage ratio. That means a way more stable connection. Next up, performance. It hits a much higher data throughput. In other words, way faster communication.
And is it fair? Absolutely. Resources are spread out much more evenly among all the users.
And get this? It does all that with the lowest computing time, so it's incredibly efficient.
So the takeaway is clear. It's more reliable, faster, fairer, and more efficient. No contest.
You know, this is more than just a tech upgrade. It's a building block for a truly intelligent transportation system.
It lets vehicles learn from each other's experiences, but here's the key. Their data always stays private.
It really makes you think. As our world gets more and more connected, how do we build it to be fair?